Tanisha and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share a detailed review of a new launch from the house of Lakmé. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. So I'm talking about this new launch from Lakmé. This is their new Eyeconic Eyeliner. This Eyeconic range already got their mascara and their kajal, but they launched with their new eyeliner, and this is in the shade of black. And this cost for 250 rupees for 4.5 ml of product. So this is not super pricey, this is not super cheap, but this is moderately affordable, I'll say. Let's see how the packaging looks like. This is a simple cardboard packaging, okay, and if you open it, the actual product look like this. This is a plastic packaging. It's Eyeconic written in blue in color, and it's written Lakmé and eyeliner. That's it, and they have written their MRP here as well. I don't know you can see it in the camera or not, and the shade name is also mentioned in the bottom of the bottle. Okay, it's a very basic plastic packaging, and the tip looks like this. The tip is actually very fine tip. See? Quite fine tip. Let's first read it out what they have claimed. They said this is a deep black, matte finish, lasts up to 24 hours, smudge proof, waterproof, transfer proof, ophthalmologically tested, suitable for those with sensitive eyes and contact lenses. This is actually deep black. I'm gonna show you the swatches on my hand later on. This is matte finish. It's not supremely matte. It gives you a slight shine after it dries out, and if I zoom in, you can see in my eyes I'm currently wearing this eyeliner as well. I'm gonna show you that as well. It's lasts up to 24 hours. Well, I'm not sure about the 24 hours part, but I think yesterday I had a wedding invitation and I put this eyeliner on in the 6 in the evening, and when I came back it was 1:30 in the night and my eyeliner was intact. Okay, so I don't know, it was quite a bit time, like 8 to 9 hours. It lasted 8 to 9 hours, but it may last more than that. They have said this is smudge proof, waterproof. I'm gonna test all of that right now. They have said this is transfer proof. Honestly, when I tried to remove this eyeliner from my eyes, it does not makes my eyes panda eyes, so this is quite true. Now ophthalmologically tested, that is in normal words, like it has passed through all the eye testing. I mean, if you have any eye issues, maybe power or dryness in the eyes, it will not cause any problem in that case. And this is also safe for sensitive eyes and with the people who wear contact lens. So now enough all this chit chat. Now I'm gonna show you. They said this is smudge proof, transfer proof and waterproof. I'm gonna test that now. Okay. Oops. So I have put 3 lines. Now I'm gonna wait a little bit of time so that it can dries out. Though it dries pretty fast, still. Okay, so I have to wait a few seconds till it dries out totally. Until then you can check my eyes, okay? Just a little bit. Zoomed in, I think. You can check my eyes. I have put on this eyeliner. This eyeliner looks really good on your eyes, and it has a slight shine to it, okay? It's not matte black, a little shine. Okay, enough of my closed view. Okay, now I'm gonna test the water taste as well. First I'm gonna try to smudge it. Okay, it doesn't smudge. That is very nice. It does not smudge, okay guys. Okay, now some water. I have some water in this. You can see. Okay, and now I'm gonna rub with the water on. Okay, if you put water and you rub, it will go away like this, but it doesn't, you know, stain your skin. It goes away very beautifully, and you just have to wipe it away. See? Okay, so it is waterproof. I mean, if you splash some water, it will not leak it, but if you rub it, it will go away, though it does not stain on my skin. Okay, so what do I think about this product? They said they are matte black. It is true. They have said that they are smudge proof. It is absolutely true. They have said they are waterproof. Okay, it is kind of water resistance. I mean, if you rub with water, it will go away. Next, what they have said that they are safe with the eyes. I mean, I had no issue with eye watering or eye redness or anything with this product, so maybe they are very, very safe. Yes, they are very long lasting. They last up to 9 hours for me, maybe more than that if I keep them on and don't remove it. And if you're removing this eyeliner, try to use a micellar water or a oil-based cleanser, or you can use even, you know, makeup removing towel as well. I prefer the makeup removing towel. This is super affordable. I mean, you are getting 4.5 ml of product for 250 rupees. I mean, coming from a good brand and good quality in such price, it's a steal deal. One thing I don't like will be, it can be a little bit issue if somebody who doesn't wear makeup or somebody who doesn't carry makeup remover, they can face a little bit issue with this removing thing, because this is really, really durable. And that's all. Like, see, I haven't got much cons with this product. I really, really like this product. And you can, you know, if you like wearing eyeliner a lot, you can make this thin eyeliner or thick eyeliner, or maybe you can draw some stars or heart in the eyes with this eyeliner, because the brush of this eyeliner is very, very fine. So you can do as much and as many things as you want with this eyeliner, and I think you should try this. This is a new product, and this is I think one of the best product from this Eyeconic range. I like their kajal, I like their mascara, but they are not supremely in good quality, I believe. But their eyeliner is in very good quality. I have used so many other brands like Sugar, I have used Lakmé normal Insta liner, I have used other brands, but this eyeliner is very nice and it does not stretch out your skin. Like in some eyeliner, when they dries up, they stretch out your skin and they crumbles up, okay, when you try to remove them or after some times, but this does not do that. So I feel this is a very, very good product and everybody should try it. And you have seen all the taste this eyeliner just got through. So that's all the information I wanted to share with you guys today about this product, and I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and it will means the world to me. And I will try to come back super soon. Until then, please take care and be happy. Bye bye.